हेलो गाइस, सो आज हम जावास्क्रिप्ट के 50 MCQs सॉल्व करेंगे. सो जावास्क्रिप्ट इज अ इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज. Which keyword declares a block scoped variable? Let keyword declares a blocked scope variable. Which keyword create a constant? So const keyword create a constant. Type of null returns object. What is the output of 5 plus 3? So 5 and 3. Which operator check type plus value equal to operator. What does DOM stand for? Document Object Model. Which select the first matching element? Query selector. Select the first matching element. Which is not a JS data type. So character is not a JS data type. Which stop the loops? Break stop the loop. Which shows an alert? Alert shows an alert. Arrays in JavaScript are heterogeneous. Which adds an item at the end of array? Push. Which remove last item of array? Pop. Map returns new array. Filter returns new array with filtered value. Which convert object JSON JSON dot string i5. Which convert JSON object JSON dot parse. Which loops run at least once? Do while. Template literal use single inverted comma. Which is not a loop? So repeat is not a loop. Which schedule a function once after delay? Set timeout. Which runs repeatedly? Set interval. Callback means function passed as argument. Which symbol is the spread operator? So dot. Which checks if value is array? Array dot is array. Type of bracket returns object. Which keyword create a class? Class keyword. How do you declare an object? Let object. Which returns array length? Length. Arrow function syntax. A option. Which event trigger when input changes on input? Which event fire when page load on load? What does nan means? Not a number. Which function round down a number? Math.floor. Which operator check null or undefined? So question mark. Which method remove first element of array? Shift. Which method create shallow copy of array? Portion. Slice. Which modify original array? Splice. What does this keyword refer to do in global scope? Window object. Promise have how many state? 3. Async function always return promise. How do you handle error in JS? Try catch. Which object is parent of all JS object in browser? Window. Which keyword define a function? Function. Which method adds element at start of array? Unshift. Which find first element that matches condition? Find. Which convert a value to integer? Parse int. Which is true for undefined? So both A and B, data type and keyword. How to print in console? Log to print in console.